In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up subscriptions in Google Play for your app. So right here, I have some screenshots for you. So what you're going to do first, go to Google Play Console. I'll show you how to. Um, Google Play Console, just press this right here, and you're gonna, yeah, wait, you're gonna just sign up, press sign in. You're just gonna sign up for Google Play Console if you haven't already. Okay, but once you do that, you're gonna press add base plan right here. So once you press add base plan, this is gonna pop up. So you put in your plan ID. This is basically like the name, okay? And then you put in the type of plan you want. Auto renewing prepaid payment plan. These are very pretty self-explanatory. Put in the tag so it makes it easier to locate. Okay? Once you do that, you're gonna scroll down and then you're gonna see set prices. So you're gonna press this blue button right here that I'm pointing to. It's gonna select all the countries this subscription is gonna be available in, right? And you're gonna press set price and put in the price right here. So basically, after you put in this price, you just press update, and you're gonna press it's gonna press say update right here. You're gonna press update again, and yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.